you think this plushie looks cute, wait until your abs start shaking. Because today we're using this prop or a pillow to make our ab workout even harder. Are you ready to feel the burn? Get on a mat and let's get started. Put your plushie or pillow underneath your shoulder blades. Lie down on it. Your hands go behind your head. Belly button to the spine and come up. Inhale. Exhale, come down. This is our warm-up. So we are activating our abs, getting them all warmed up, and already starting to feel a little burn because due to the plushie or pillow, you will get higher. So it's kind of like a little help. Look towards your legs when you come up. And one more. All right. Now put your plushie between your legs and you will be pressing your legs against the plushie. So this will activate your core. And come up. Keep pressing your legs against the plushie. And up. Inhale. Exhale, come down. Push your belly button to the spine. Come up until your shoulder blades. And keep pressing the plushie to activate your abs even more. And up. And down. Up. And down. Let's put our plushie underneath our shoulder blades again. Now we're going to do chest lift with rotation. So come up, rotate to me and flex slightly. And back to center. Come up and flex. And center. Come up. Bring your left rib to your right hip bone and your right rib to your left hip bone. And two more. And come down. Now put your plushie between your legs again. Press it and come up. And now rotate to me and rotate away from me. To me and away from me. Keep your upper body high. And let's do a few more. This is working your obliques, so your side abs. Grab your thighs and come up. Put your plushie between your calves and your thighs. Your legs go up. You are on your sit bones. Get into a nice C curve. So pull your pubic bone to your belly button and roll down and up and down and up. Keep holding the C curve to engage your abs. And don't come higher than your shoulder blades. Keep pressing your legs against your plushie and pulling your legs to yourself with your biceps, with your arms. Hold your C curve, pubic bone to your belly button. One more, and come up. Now come down onto your back again. Your plushie goes under your hips. Your hands are next to your body. Get one leg up in a 90-degree angle between your calf and your thigh, and a 90-degree angle between your thigh and your hips. Point both feet, and now change, and change, and change. Pull your pubic bone to your belly button. Engage your abs. And hold a 90-degree angle in both your hip and your knee. This will make this exercise more challenging. With this, we are working our lower abs. A few more. You can do it. All right. And get your leg down. Now get both of your legs into tabletop. Extend them. And you're going to move them to me, to the middle, and away from me. Keep your abs engaged. So pull your pubic bone to your belly button. Imagine holding a C curve while you are moving your legs, so you don't fall into hyperlordosis. Do this exercise slowly and controlled, so you feel your abs burning. This exercise is targeting your side abs, and it will create a nice slim waist. And put your legs down one by one. Now come up into a plank. Your plushie will be below your hands. Your hands are shoulder width apart and below your shoulders. Your legs are behind you. Lower your hips and pull your right leg in, and then your left leg and your right leg. Push yourself out of your plushie. And let's do a few more. Try to keep your hips level and low. Few more, you're doing great. Come down onto your stomach, wrap your plushie, and you will keep pressing your plushie together. Your feet are together and pointed. Pubic bone to the mat and come up, press, hold, and come down. Try to keep your shoulders away from your ears. Come up, pressing your plushie, and down. Up, and down. Up, and down. Keep pushing your pubic bone into the mat and keep pressing your plushie. You'll feel this in your upper back. So we are counteracting our abdominal work and balancing everything out. One more and come down. Push yourself into a resting position and rest. You did so great and I hope you felt the burn. And roll up. Amazing work. You did so well finishing today's workout. Did you feel the burn as much as I did? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget, you're stronger than you feel today and more glowing than you realize. Just like skincare from the inside out. So thanks for joining me for my workout today and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!